I built a business using artificial intelligence. Today I will show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can follow the same process and build your own AI-powered business from home. Everything in this guide is beginner-friendly and requires no advanced technical skills. The idea. The first step was choosing a simple business model that can be automated using AI tools. I decided to build a digital content service. This includes content writing, thumbnails, short videos, and digital products. These are high-demand services that clients pay for daily. AI tools make it possible to deliver these services faster and at a higher quality without needing a large team. The tools I used. To build this business, I used 3 main categories of tools. The first category is AI writing tools. These help create scripts, blog posts, emails, ads, and product descriptions in minutes. The second category is AI design tools for thumbnails, banners, ebooks, and social media posts. The third category is AI video tools that turn text into complete videos for clients. Combining these 3 tool groups allowed me to offer full service packages without hiring editors, writers, or DESI. Setting up the business. Next, I created a simple brand. I registered a name, built a profile on major freelance platforms, and set up a portfolio. The portfolio included AI-generated samples, content pieces, designs, and video clips. Clients only want to see results, so the quality of samples was more important than showing my face or personal background. AI helped me create everything within AS. Ingle Day. Finding clients. To get my first clients, I used 3 methods. Method 1 was setting up a profile on popular freelance sites. These platforms already have buyers searching for digital services. Method 2 was sending direct outreach messages to small businesses and creators who needed help. AI tools helped me write personalized messages quickly. Method 3 was posting content on social platforms to attract clients organically. Within 1 week I got my RST paid order. Delivering the work. To deliver the work, I created a step-by-step workflow. First, I used AI to draft the content or design. Second, I made small manual edits to refine the final output. Third, I packaged the deliverables professionally and sent them to the client. This process allowed me to complete projects in less than 1 hour and still maintain high quality. Scaling the business. Once orders became consistent, I focused on automation. I created templates for different types of services. I saved scripts that performed well. I built workflows that could be reused for every client. I also set up automation tools to handle email responses, invoice sending, and delivery messages. This reduced my daily effort and allowed me to NDLE more clients at once. Income breakdown. My income came from multiple sources. Writing services, thumbnail and design services, AI-generated video services, digital products such as templates and presets. Because AI reduced my workload and increased my output, I was able to serve more clients and multiply my income without hiring a team. Lessons learned. The biggest lesson is that AI gives beginners a massive advantage. You do not need to be a designer. You do not need to be a video editor. You do not need to be a professional writer. If you follow a clear workflow and use the right tools, you can build a profitable in business faster than ever before. Final advice. Start with a simple service. Use AI to produce the work. Build a clean portfolio. Get your first client on freelance.